Hello, positive thinkers. This is Teacher Marlo and welcome to my channel. In this video, we're gonna learn about the properties of multiplication. So, let us start. What are the properties of multiplication? They are identity, zero, commutative, and associative property. First, let us talk about the identity property of multiplication. So it states that any number multiplied by 1, the product is the number itself. For examples, 25 times 1 is 25. 99 times 1 is 99. 1 times 50 is 50. So, we can say that 1 is the identity element for multiplication. Next property is the zero property. It states that any number multiplied by 0, the product is 0. Examples: 15 times 0 will give 0. 0 times 846 is 0. 100 times 0 is 0. We always think that 0 means nothing. But in the world of mathematics, 0 can be a great factor in solving problems. Next property is called commutative property of multiplication. It states that changing the order of the factors, the product remains the same. Examples: 7 times 4 can be switched to 4 times 7. Here, the order does not matter. So if we are going to take the product of 7 and 4, the answer is 28. Also, the product of 4 times 7 is 28. Another example: 5 times 8 is 40. Also, if you are going to change the order of the factor, 8 times 5 is also 40. So if you are going to describe or to identify commutative property of multiplication, just think of the order. Next is the associative property of multiplication. It states that changing the grouping of the factors, the product remains the same. Examples: 7 times 5 times 20. Here, we enclose 7 and 5, or we group 7 and 5 with the parentheses. So when we say parentheses, it indicates that we are going to solve the problems inside the parentheses first. Therefore, 7 times 5 is 35. Then multiplied by 20, the answer is 700. Or we can change the grouping of the factors. So here we enclose 5 and 20. The answer will be 100. And we can do mental addition here, or we can do mental multiplication. 7 times 100 is 700. So the advantage here in the associative property of multiplication is that we can solve first for the product of 10, 100, or 1000, so that we can easily answer the problem. So if you are going to identify or to determine associative property of multiplication, just think of group. And that is all about this video. I hope you learned something and hope to see you for my next one. Just always remember that to think positive.